Hey everybody, this is Michael Bean. I'm your child's teacher this year. Um, I'm not going to fluff this video up. I'm going to keep it straight to the point because your time is valuable, my time is valuable. So I'm just going to walk you through this handout right quick. Your child brought this home. Here's the supply list right there. They need a 3-ring binder. They need plenty of paper. They need pens and pencils, color pencils, highlighters. Last but not least, a positive attitude. Oh my gosh, that is key right there, a positive attitude, okay? Nothing there should break the bank. If you have trouble securing any of these things, let me know. Down over here, grading scale, that grading scale is universal from our middle school to high school. It's a 10-point grading scale. I'm not going to go through it. You should know the grading scale at this point, but if not, you can see right there. I'll be honest, y'all. We read English, we write English, and we speak English. There is no reason for your child to have below a B in my class. I'm not trying to be mean about it. It takes a lot more work to make a C or a D or an F in my class than it does to make an A or B. Because again, we read English, we write English, we speak English. There is no reason for your child not to have anything below a B in my class. I say that nicely. If there are concerns there, come holler at me. We'll talk about it, okay? I got minor assessments and major assessments. If it's a quiz, a test, an essay, or project, it's going to be a major assessment, counts 40% of their grade. If it's a warm-up, a journal, a classwork assignment, homework, exercise, 6% of your grade right there, the minor stuff. That zero tolerance policy, that's just saying that, if your child messes up, I'm going to make them redo it. If your child bombs a test, I'm going to make them redo it. Again, we speak English, we read English, we write English. I'm going to make them redo it. I'm going to make them redo it again. If I got to keep them after school, we're going to do it that way. If we're going to do it during lunch, we're going to do it that way. If we're going to do it at recess, we're going to do it that way. If your child turns in something that I'm not happy with, I'm going to have them redo it. So, that being said, it's easier to do it the right way the first time than it is to do it the wrong way. Again, it takes more work to make a C, D, or F in my class than A or B. So, communication-wise, you got 3 options. I'm going to use TeamReach. If your child has been on an athletic team, you've probably used TeamReach before. You can download the app, sign in to use it. You can use your school email address if you want to. If you're a kid, if you're a parent, you use yours. The code is VCS Batman 24. VCS Batman 24. I'm a big comic book nerd. I love Batman, so Batman's going to be our keyword. VCS Batman 24. Okay, that will get you in. It should be called Beam 7th grade ELA 24-25 because it's the 24-25 school year. If you got questions about that, send me an email. I'll holler back at you. Your kids are in 7th grade. That's a weird time where some of them may have social media, some don't. Anything I put on TeamReach, I put on my school Twitter account. You do not have to follow me on Twitter. Your kids do not have to follow me on Twitter. I'm not going to follow them back if they follow me because that's just my school Twitter account. Anything I announce on TeamReach, I also announce there. I just do it to cover all my bases. I've had that account for over 10 years. Again, you decide if you want your child to have social media. If they want to use Twitter, they're allowed to follow me. If you don't want that Twitter, you don't have to because everything I post in TeamReach also goes to Twitter. So you get to pick your poison there. Down here, I have a school email address. There it is, bnm@advancedcharter.org. Do me a favor. Whether you're a kid or a parent, if you're going to send me an email, please proofread your email before sending it. And please give me time to respond. I've gotten some crazy emails in the past couple of years, and within 10 minutes of sending the original email, I was getting another email saying, why haven't you responded to my email yet when only 10 minutes had passed? I wish I could make that up. I can't, though. If you send me an email, y'all, I'm human just like y'all. When I leave work, I don't check my work email. So if you send me an email at 9 o'clock at night, Michael Bean will not see it till he checks his email the next day. Give me time to respond. I normally say within 24 hours to 36 hours, I'll respond. If it's been 36 hours and I haven't responded yet, take a deep breath, give me 1 more hour, then I'll probably respond, okay? If it's been several days and I had not responded to you, please send me another one. For whatever reason, that email got missed. I will gladly respond. I'm normally pretty good about email, but I know sometimes my life gets crazy, just like your life gets crazy. So that happens sometimes. So if you send me an email, give me 24 hours or 36 hours for me to respond. Okay? All right, that's the first sheet. On the back of that sheet are the 7th grade expectations we have for your kid. Now, I have this in my room. Ms. Stone has this posted in her room. Mr. Kapriv has this posted in his room. Okay? Both the 7th grade expectations and the 7 rules we have for 7th grade. I'm going to start right here. Y'all, we got 7 rules. Be on time, be respectful, follow directions, try your best, don't be foolish or dramatic, keep them cell phones up, and oh my gosh, number 7, just be nice. Just be nice. Parents, your kids are kind of in this weird area where they're not a kid anymore, they're not a teenager yet, they think they know everything, they want to run the world, they want to burn the world down, but also they want $5 to go to the movie theater. We ask they follow these 7 rules. There's nothing unreasonable here, okay? A lot of kids, especially in 7th grade, they want to be foolish or dramatic because somebody looked at them or breathed their gravity wrong. One of the big things I tell parents and kids all this year, we got to get thick skin. If somebody looks at us, it's not a reason to run to Miss Finch because they looked at them. If I look at you, it's not a reason to get upset because I looked at you. We're not going to be foolish or dramatic. We're going to work on just being nice to everyone. You don't have to like people, but you can be nice to people. Okay, those are the 7 rules. If you got questions about them, holler at me. I've been using those same 7 rules for a hot minute now. So never had a problem with them before, but if there's an issue there, holler at me. So check it out. There's 27 expectations. I'm not going to read these to you word for word. These are the things that we expect out of your kid on a daily basis. Okay, so like number 1, your teachers expect you to try your best and give your best effort at all times. Well, that's a no-brainer. They should be doing that anyways, but also, Advanced Charter, we're a school of choice. We expect you to try your best. You, as a parent, should expect your child to try your best, and your kid should expect out of themselves the very best effort. We're not asking them to walk on water. We're not asking them to run 2 miles backwards on 1 foot. We are asking that they try their best, okay? I'm not going to read these to you word for word because you are an adult and you can read for yourself, but it's pretty much going over, do your homework. Get your work done. Raise your hand. Stay in your seat unless somebody calls on you. I'm going to point out the big ones that you need to make sure you pay attention to. Y'all look at number 15. If I see your cell phone, I have to take it. Whether it's in your hoodie pocket or hanging out your back booty pocket or in your hand walking down the hall, if I see that phone, I got to take it. And I'm going to give it to the office. Now, the first time that happens, the office gives it back to the kid. Every time after that, you, the parent, will have to come get your baby's phone. And if that aggravates you, that's a conversation you need to have with your baby, not so much one of the teachers, okay? If I see it, I got to take it. So if you walk in that back door on the back hall and walk all the way down to the blue hall where we are, and walk all the way down the blue hall to your locker and your phone's still in your hand, oh my gosh. You failed, you failed that test. I got to take that phone. If I see it, I got to take it. I know that's mean. Just put it away. That's all you got to do. Put it in your book bag. Put it in your locker. I don't care where you put it, as long as I don't see it. If I see it, I got to take it. Look at that. Smartwatches are used to be used as watches. If a watch becomes a distraction, they're going to be treated as a phone and taken. Last year, I had to take a girl's Apple Watch because she got it for Christmas. She's texting all of her buddies during class. I watch her do it. She's not using that smartwatch as a watch. She's using it as a cell phone, so I had to take it. I gave it to her mom, and we went from there. Never had that problem ever again. But, y'all, if you want to wear a smartwatch, I'm fine with that. Treat it as a watch and not as a cell phone, okay? If you've got a question about that, holler at me. I'll gladly talk to you about it. Parents, the other big thing, look at number 20, y'all. I hate to say this. The bathroom is where you use the bathroom. Using the bathroom for issues that are not related to bathroom issues will result in a loss of bathroom privileges. So in other words, if your child is going to the bathroom to wrestle people, we're not going to let them use the bathroom anymore. And yes, that has happened before, okay? We use the bathroom for the bathroom, not for weird things. So make sure you're using the bathroom for the bathroom, okay? The other big thing, 24, I'm trying to hurry this up. It's been 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes too long. Water bottles placed on the back bookshelf. Okay, if they're on that back bookshelf, they won't be spilled, plain and simple. Look at 25. You missed school. You're responsible for telling me that you missed school and you need to get your missing step. You can't just say, I wasn't here and expect like there not to be a grade. If you miss school, you're responsible. So you gotta come talk to me. I will not chase you down. I know that's mean, but I will not chase you down because you're old enough to come to me and say, I need my missing assignments. 26, please don't eat your clothes. We got plenty of food in the cafeteria. I should not see a single seventh grader chewing on their clothes this year. It's nasty. It's unsanitary. I don't know why that's the thing of eating our clothes. Let's not eat our clothes. Last but not least, this is for all you parents during safe dismissal. I'm not going to let your baby leave the room until I see their name pop up on my dismissal screen. So if you come to the front office, you have to get them paid through the front office. I will not release them until I see their name. So if you pull up to the front of the school and text Billy Bob and say, baby, I'm here, come out to the car, Billy Bob ain't going nowhere because I got to keep Billy Bob safe. It's for their safety. It's for my safety. It's not up for debate. If you want your child and you're not going through the line, I must see their name pop up on that screen. It's a safety issue right there. I know that may seem mean, but it's to secure my job and keep your baby safe, okay? Keep all the babies safe. What you gonna do? You watch this video.